Today we got Toby starting off this V5 slab with a dynamic running start. Now when it comes to parkour and climbing, the vertical wall run is very useful to know and understand due to the nature of modern climbing in these running starts. First, you simply want to practice by jumping up and pushing backwards upon the surface. Push horizontally and hard so that your body really gets sent backwards. Do not push down as if you're walking up steps. If you do, your foot will slip and your body will hit the surface. Next, you would want to practice from a further distance, bouncing off the surface and landing smoothly. Wall running is all about using forward momentum and congruent with your foot breaking itself against the wall. This causes the additional forward momentum to shoot your body upwards. Now try from a full approach. Start by lowering your center of gravity and begin with small steps. As you gain speed, lift your chest and increase your stride length, making sure to always accelerate. Do not stutter step, this will only end badly. As you near your final step, jump and plant your braking feet into the tree and push. Your forward momentum will carry you upwards. This is not exactly the easiest thing to learn, so expect to struggle a bit, but once you've learned this skill, this will make running starts and climbing seem pretty trivial. From here, right foot up onto the what looks like a good hold, then a committing stand using the right arm to stem into the right wall. Instead of placing the hand in this middle position, try placing it further back to really push your body back into the wall, or place it more forwards to allow for more drag to prevent falling back out. Another fun idea is to use the thumb catch as a left hand undercling. This would ensure constant pulling pressure to keep your body close to the wall so your right hand won't have to work too hard. Depending on the rules of your gym, I will scour the edges of the volume for any register. This could be a potentially better left hand than this pinchy nubbin. I would even go so far to see if your nails could sink into the gaps of the volumes and wall. One more thing, and I said this in the last video, go into the wall, not towards the wall. This wall isn't so far that you need to lean into it. In addition, by going straight up, you will allow your right leg to fully extend. This elevation of your torso will better allow you to utilize your arms in more of a downward pressing motion as opposed to a Gastoni pressing motion. Anyways, good luck and I'll see you next time, partner.